They're so lucky they haven't hit. Here we go. Who knew? You can do it. Okay. Like that. A little too close.
You must be so proud.
Wait, say I gotta read the tweet.
What?
Oh, I'm gonna read the tweet. Hold on, right on back on the tweet.
I'm afraid that now when we have a real Sharknado, everyone's going to treat it like a joke. Oh!
Oh,
What?
did she fall and get eaten by the other shark right there?
She just fell into the mouth, right?
Yes. Oh no.
I didn't know she could die.
She died. She just got eaten. In midair. That's so great.
That was so great.
Look, what's gonna eat him? He's just not gonna make him eat him. He's really proud. He's gonna make it. You're the tornado. No, up until now I thought it was a good idea. I think about that last one.
I thought they did too.
Did you just say what happened there? He didn't even like respond to the fact that his girlfriend got eaten. He was just like, oh, okay. You really don't want to be in one of these. You got a shark hole on the top of your vehicle. They go right and get you. Be careful. I don't know if he's gonna make it. Okay. Here we go. It's the perfect spot to throw it in. You get around there and get out. That road is perfect where that tornado is at this very moment. What a smart guy. This is the greatest movie ever made. This guy's pretty resourceful. And he had gas in there.
Oh my god!
It's the same shark.
What?
Oh my goodness, how lucky he is to be eaten by the same shark that ate her.
What are the odds?
The odds are just incalculable. It was meant to be. Those guys are gonna get married for sure. Oh my god. Sometimes Sharknadoes can bring good things.
Exactly.
That is the best movie ever.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of sci-fi now. You gotta see some more of this stuff. They have all kinds of stuff like this.
Yeah, I know.
With Sharknado, it's just gotta be this.
Cracks. That was epic.
That was really epic. That was like, that was probably the best movie I've ever seen.